Okay, today we have the Rigid 6-gallon, it's 3.5 horsepower. I'm just going to unbox this and show you what all comes with it. I was using one wet to dry vac and it died on me, so went out and bought this one, which I think is similar to the one I had. But anyway, I'm going to unpack the box and we'll see what all it comes with. Some attachments. Of course, the main hose attachment. That's the rest of it. There's also a vacuum attachment. Here is the actual wet and dry vac. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box, so guess what? It doesn't come with the hose. You have to buy that separate, and it's like $19.99. So it's like just the feet to the vacuum. I was hoping it had rollers, but I don't think so. Should have read the box better on that. Wait, here we go. Yeah, here's the rollers. So this is the feet, and then the rollers to the feet. So just know that when it says attachments, it doesn't come with I think there's a filter in here. Yeah. Here's the dry filter. There's no wet filter. You have to buy that separate. So, oh wait, there is a hose. The hose is inside. That would have been helpful if they would have put that on the outside of the box. Okay. So we'll see how this works.